Make a delicious Easter pie with a few ingredients and a little time. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Easter pie. This recipe will make you 2 Easter pies. What we need is 2 pounds of ricotta cheese, a half a dozen eggs, a pound of cooked ham that we chop, a half a pound of Genoa salami that we chop, a half a pound of mozzarella cheese that we grate. I cheated and used the bag. A quarter pound of pepperoni, 4 pie crusts, and a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. The first thing we'll do is chop up our meat into little cubes. Once that's done, we'll get a big bowl. We'll put our 2 pounds of ricotta cheese into the bowl. We will use a handheld mixer and beat the eggs into the ricotta cheese one by one. Once that is done, we will stir in our ham, the salami, the pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and Romano cheese. Once everything is well mixed, we will then prepare our pie crust. This will be a good time for you to turn on the oven also, because we need that to be heated to 325 degrees in order for us to bake this for about an hour. Our lower pie crust is in place. Now we will take our mixture and fill our pie. Once we do that, we will take a second pie crust, put it on top, and then pinch the edges so this way it makes a nice closure. And we will use a knife and cut a few slits in the top so this way the pie can vent while it's baking. Okay, now let's put our pies into the oven and bake them at 325 for about an hour. And here are the finished products. The great thing about Easter pie is you can eat it hot or you can eat it cold, and I really like having it both ways. I have the full recipe at the end of this video. If this was useful to you, please share, like, and subscribe. Also, let me know, if you made it, how did it come out? What are your thoughts? Thanks for watching.